Din-off ko na guys kasi pumasok ako ng private room. Kaya hindi naman ako marunong mag-post. Hindi ko nga alam kung ano pa ang nandini. Ang isda lang nakita ko kahapon. Ay, nandyan oh, yung may mga tao yan. Ang lalaki dit. Tapos kami pumunta doon, naglakad. Akala ko may titingnan doon na ano, kaya pala hindi. Ginaayos pa nga ito, sementohon yata eh. Iwan ko kung may labasan dyan, wala yata. O, kung may labasan dito, malapit lang oh.
Oo. Pero wala siguro. Eh kung may opening yan dyan, hindi yan tayo naka-tinuro.
Nga naman. Iwan ko kung mayroon din eh. Diyan, mayroon yan dyan. Ah, mayroon din. Oh, mayroon ding isda. Hello. Hello, fish. Mayroon din pala doon eh. Ang lalaki guys, no? Doon sa kabila marami. Punta ko doon sa kabila. Parang mabaho dito ah. Tahimik sila na tahimik ah. Kalaki-laki. Sobrang init. Init na talaga. Oh, say that, nakita mo? Kadami. Oh, lumapit sila talaga kasi may pagkain sila yata eh. Oh, ito na yung isda. Ang dami. Yan. Nag-aabang ng pagkain. Yun. Kaya lumalapit sila, mayroong pagkain binibigay. Lalaki. Okay, that's a big one. Look at that. Pili na dige. Pili na.
The big one.
I like this one. Pag sa atin yan, sa gabi, wala na yan. Ooh, may silver one. Oh, ang laki oh.
What kind of this is that?
Carp. Huh? It's chasing because the food is too big. Yan oh, laki. That's a big one.
Oh.
I think that's all in here. And the others.
Maybe throw it to the duck so that I was see it's coming from your cracker. Oh my god.
You get it.
Next thing you're gonna throw in the water?
It's nice if you got a breadcrumb.
Huh?
Through it. You know the.
No. No. Oh. Stop. Naughty. Gonna even throwing it at me.
Dami na.
Say bye. Oh, there's swans coming.
Ganda yan, may payong ka dito oh, sa kaupuan. Tapos mag...
Yeah, the train.
Ay, ito na yung ano, swan, dalawa. Kahapon isa lang yan.
The swans look like they're gonna peck the ibises again. Do you think
Oh, look, the red one.
look at this big
The red thing.
But be careful with the ibises.
And the bird and the duck. Is waiting for the food.
Ibises, stop it! Ibises! No, swans aren't interested. Delhi, you're throwing them to wow.
Oh, the one coming. The beak is white. Tingnan mo yan, Grace. Ah, dit. Oh, oh.
I think we're gonna stop. Della, stop.
Yan dito, masalang laki oh. It's a big one. It's a big one. Oh, this one is coming. Hmm? Okay na? Nakita mo nang nakita ko kahapon.
Yeah, I'll get it for you. We're gonna go watch it.
That's a big one.
Yeah. Tapos doon na naman pa rin.
Yeah, let's go. We'll put them
Eros.
on. We'll wash your feet first, okay?
Sinugba.
Hmm. Grabe
Daling
ang
ano
ganda.
yung carp may
Wash your feet.
amoy lupa.
Eh kasi dandiyan sila eh. Lupang ano. Oh. Lunang ang ginaano.
Mm.
Kailangan yan paalu-aron mo. Saan sila nakaano? May tulay na doon eh. Eh, ang tulay na ano. Oh.
Pero
Hindi pa. Oo, hindi pa okay. Kasi para malapit na lang sa station dyan.
dapat. Kaya lang
Mm.
kung layo pa, ano ka pa doon.
Mag-ikot ka pa. Mas maigi na nga malapit lang. Yung kung saan,
Doon ka.
saan naman tayo punta? Anong destination?